My name is Sally. I am 21. 3 months ago, my life was normal. I went to parties, met friends, and laughed without fear. But everything changed. Slowly, quietly, my world turned into darkness, guilt, and regret. I never thought something like this could happen to me. Now, I haven't slept for 3 months. Every night, I wake up shaking. I feel a breath on my face, but no one is there. I live alone in a small flat in the city. Last week, my friends dragged me to a club. They wanted me to feel normal again. I drank a little, smiled a little, tried to dance. For a few hours, I almost forgot the voice. I almost forgot the nights. I used to love my life. Now, I only love silence. But even silence feels loud. When I came home, it was past midnight. The air was cold, and the streets were empty. When I unlocked my door, I felt that same heaviness again, like someone was already inside. I turned on the light. Everything looked fine. Then my phone buzzed. The screen showed an unknown number. The message said, "Did you miss me?" I didn't sleep that night. At sunrise, the message was gone. There was no number, no proof. The next day, I thought about calling my ex. We broke up 6 months ago. He was kind once, but later he changed. He became cold, jealous, and strange. I left him because I was scared of him. A few weeks after that, he died in a car accident. Everyone said it was quick. But before he died, he told me something I can't forget. He said, "You will never sleep without me." That night, I remembered his words, and when my phone buzzed again, I already knew. The same number, the same message. Don't leave me again. My blood turned cold. My legs wouldn't move. The words were exactly what he said the night we broke up. I threw my phone on the bed and ran to the window. It was open. The wind came in hard, and for 1 second, I heard it again. His voice, right behind me, whispering my name. I screamed. The neighbor knocked on my door. I said I was fine, but I wasn't. The next morning, I went to stay at my friend Mia's place. I told her everything. She looked at me like she didn't believe me, but she tried to help. She said, "You just need sleep." I handed her my phone. I told her about the messages. She scrolled through it and frowned. "There's nothing here, Sally. No message, no number." I grabbed the phone from her. It was true. The screen was clean. I started crying. I told her I swear I saw it. Mia hugged me tight. She said, "You're not crazy. You're just tired." That night, I slept in her room. For the first time in weeks, I felt safe until 3:12 a.m. The phone buzzed again. Same number, new message. "You can change the bed." Not me. I threw the phone across the room. It hit the wall. Mia woke up and turned on the light. I told her, "He's here." He sent it again. She checked the phone. There was nothing. She looked at me with fear. Not fear of the ghost, fear of me. In the morning, she begged me to see a doctor, but I couldn't. I wasn't crazy. I knew what I heard. That evening, I went back home. I sat on the floor and waited. I didn't eat. I didn't move. At midnight, my phone rang. Private number. I answered. At first, there was static. Then I heard it. His breath. And then his voice. He said, "See, you can't sleep without me." I dropped the phone. I screamed. The call ended. I wanted to leave, but I couldn't move. Something inside me whispered that even if I ran, he would find me. Now, it has been 3 months. I still live alone. I still wake up at the same time every night. I still hear breathing next to my ear. Sometimes I talk to him. I tell him to leave me alone. But the air only grows colder. Last night, I said, "What do you want?" And a whisper came back, so close, I felt it on my skin. "You." I can't tell what is real anymore. Sometimes I think I see him standing by the door, smiling like before. Sometimes I think he never died at all. Maybe he's still here. Maybe I'm the one who changed. I try to tell myself that love cannot come back from the grave. But every night I hear him breathing. I feel his hand brush my shoulder. Every night I remember what he said. "You will never sleep without me." And he was right. Because even now, when I'm awake, even when the light is on, I still feel him watching me.